Welcome to my KitchenAid studio and come celebrate 100 years of KitchenAid with me. Now this brand new machine which has recently been launched is called a 7-cup food processor, because normally you have the jug or you have the cup and then you have different blades and slicers which occupy too much space. They all have to be kept on the side. But guess what? All the blades are on top of each other, which means that everything is all in one cup. So it's space saving and time saving. Let me show you how. So this first blade here is for shredding and slicing very thin. The second blade is for thick slices. This one is for kneading and this one is actually for chopping. So look, we have all 4 functions, multi-purpose, all in one go, just above the other. Now let's start by some nice thin slices of vegetables, okay? So I'm going to put this back inside. However, let's start slicing a couple of vegetables, shred some, chop some, and make a beautiful Buddha bowl for you. So let's start with the cucumber. Some carrots. Next, radishes. Fantastic. So we are getting your nice Buddha bowl ready for you in just a couple of minutes. Here we take next. So our salad is almost ready. Let's get a nice bowl, arrange it. Fantastic. Radishes, bell peppers, sliced cucumbers. So what's going to take this salad to another level is this lovely dressing, which is made with ginger and lemon juice and with a little bit of olive oil. Beautiful. And voila! Lovely Buddha bowl is ready with mixed lettuces, sliced cucumbers, shredded carrots, radishes and bell peppers with a lovely ginger and lemon dressing. Buon appetito!